and call it good. Double protection. Anyways, I'm out. Don't use Flex Seal on these seats. You're gonna end up ruining your seats. All right. Flex Seal is good for some applications, not for this. Take care. Have a good day. Out. What's up, everybody? Hey, it's been a while since I posted, but I've been working on my boat a lot. Been fishing on it for the last year, and I didn't really do anything with it, but I'm starting to upgrade it. But this is why you don't use Flex Seal, especially on marine vinyl seats. I just picked up this nice cooler seat, switch it back and forth. I don't know, it's probably a 40 quart. It's really comfortable. It looks kind of nice too, but I think I noticed a problem. Look at this. This is why you don't use Flex Seal. Somebody put Flex Seal on this. I had to peel all this off and repair this properly. It literally peels off. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, you just rub it like this. Yeah, it just comes off. It's gonna take me forever, but it'll eventually come off. And yeah, get all this stuff off of here. See what's underneath it, because it appears whoever had this before me might have done the whole entire thing. This seat is in pretty bad shape. I mean, not in horrible shape. It's comfortable. It's still sturdy. It needs to be cleaned out. At least everything's stainless. And this seal on the inside needs to be replaced. But make for a good cooler, live well, dry box seat, which is key when you're working with well, John boats are small, so space is key. You can combine everything into one little deal. Good to go. So stay tuned, because we're gonna get this thing looking good. Five hours later. It's a job. I started up this channel last year. Again, been planning on doing more and more videos. Just moved down to South Florida, doing some more fishing adventures and different other things like that. So looking forward to taking you guys with me. I do it all, man. Boating, offshore, pier fishing, bank fishing, freshwater, you name it. Gonna do some videos from Headwaters Lake, which is right up the road. A little town called Vero Beach, Florida. And just relax outdoors. But still gotta get my my boat looking right, functional. Anyways, progress within just how many just a few minutes, just about a couple minutes, but I got some of it off, you can see. But I know a lot of people say, yeah, use Flex Seal in your seats. But to be honest with you, I don't recommend it, because it's a pain in the ass to get off. They might sell some kind of Flex Seal remover that we could use to melt it off or something. But I'm just gonna take the time and remove it like this. I'd like to, and then get some proper vinyl paint and just repaint it with the right paint after I seal in. There's just a few areas that I know is gonna wick water, so gonna sand this down. Sand this part of the seat down pretty good. But other than that, I mean, hopefully this thing will come out looking right once I get done. Actually, I'm not really too worried about what it looks like, as long as that sucker ain't gonna get my butt wet when I sit on it. Feel me? All right, we'll be back. Well, here's the not a good result. Here's my issue. I got most of it off. I got some cracks here that I can probably, but there's still so much more of this stuff. This is after about 45 minutes of doing this, and it's very frustrating. The whole point of this video is Flex Seal on a vinyl seat, especially with a marine application, doesn't work. This is what it turns into, a mess. So I'm gonna go get me some new vinyl and take this old vinyl off and reupholster it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, looks like it's pretty simple to do. Just take these off and yeah, we'll see. Well, here we are. 2 days later, I placed an order on Amazon for some new vinyl for these seats, and see how it looks. I just got here in the mail. Pretty cheap, only like about $25. Two a little darker gray than I was expecting, but feels good. Feels like a nice fabric. It's not smooth like the old seats. It's got, because I was worried about doing with the stitching, and if it's real smooth, I'll slip around, slide, but it has grip to it. I don't know if you can see the grip on here, and it's backed with a some kind of padding. Anyway, I'm gonna try to put some new vinyl on these seats, rejuvenate them, see what happens. Alright. Interesting. Feels good though. From what I've read online, you set the seat down and then staple from the outsides. So looks like I got plenty of, I ordered two. This is a 2 square yard, or two square yard roll, and it looks like there's a lot of fabric in there. So, but I'm gonna get this seat lined up. The way this, I know this is probably a sin to most seamstress people, but the way this seat is designed, I think I'm gonna try and do this just leaving the old cover on. And anything excess, once I get done with it, I'll just cut it off. Make sure it's even. Oh, all right. Let's see what we do. Boom, yeah. Yeah. Got my heat gun, staple, but I just put one there just to hold it. Now that I got that secured, pull it as tight as I can on this side. Yo, this is real-time blooper right here. Real-time blooper. This isn't gray vinyl. I just realized I ordered gray vinyl from Amazon, and it was cheap. It was real. I ordered 2 yards of it, 2 square yards, and I ordered it the other day, and I just noticed it says delivered. The screen is black. Marine vinyl black fabric. I didn't order black. I ordered off-white. They sent me black. I'm thinking that the black goes to the inside. No, that's the outside. I'm doing the seat backwards. That's why my hand is staining the I mean, I only paid $8.41 a piece for them, so I just wasted $16, $17, no, $20. Might as well say $20 with tax. I just wasted $20. I can use this for something else, but I'm not sitting on no black seat. I just had to order more vinyl. I feel like an idiot. Here I am trying to put this seat on, and I'm putting the vinyl on backwards. And if any of y'all caught that before and wrote it in the comment, can you write that in the comments section and let me know so I can not cut this up and install it? Why? Upside down, that I could have sent this back and got my money back. I just got another 20-something bucks getting, but bottom line, what I'm saying is, look, this is the vinyl. This is the inside. I feel like a fool. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this for now. And the next time you see this video, it'll be on Tuesday when I get another roll of this stuff, and hopefully it's the correct color. I'm about to message the company now and tell them that they sent me the wrong color, because I know for a fact I would not have ordered black. So for now, I'll see y'all Tuesday. On Tuesday, you'll see me in this very same spot with different color. All right.